Yes.
Okay, children,
Yes,
here
ma'am.
you can see. Here you can see. Let's observe, let's apply, and let's analyze and evaluate. 3 bits are visible here. Now I'll check once. The day I started oral test, I think it was on Thursday or last Tuesday. Gagan Sai completed last year. Today also she is not visible. Last year, Rebecca, Varshit, Vaishnavi completed, right? She joined late and she completed. Sohan also completed. Is it, children? Sharwani also completed. Satvik completed. Santosh, Ritvika, Pranavi completed. Pragnesh is there. Pragnesh, Nayana.
Yes, ma'am. What completed?
Reading test of lesson number 9. Textbook reading.
Ma'am, mine also completed, Ma'am
Yes,
Venkatesh.
ma'am.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling the names, children. Abhinaya has to Abhinaya, Anurag, Ashit, Bhagavat, Bhuvasya, Chaitra, Charvit, Dheeraj, Jessica, Joel, Karthik Manohar, Kyati, Manas, Navatej, Nayana, next Pragnesh, then Rebecca, Varshit, next Lasya Priya. They have these children have to complete. Now I will start from Abhinaya. Abhinaya
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Aryan also. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you forward this in WhatsApp, ma'am?
I have already forwarded day before yesterday. It is there in your WhatsApp group as PDF.
Ma'am, again last year started scribbling on the screen, ma'am.
Yeah, she wants to
In
say that
every
she is in the
class
class. She wants to say that she is in the class. Maybe doing like this. Sometimes unknowingly you are doing. Children, don't scribble anything. I will just okay. Okay, children. Now Abhinaya, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go to
Yes,
page
ma'am.
number 110. Read about force. After Abhinaya, Anurag. Be ready,
Okay,
Anurag.
ma'am. Force. In every force. In everyday life, we see and perform many actions in a push or a pull. In football, the ball is being pushed when the players kick it. In a
Tug of war.
of war, people a
Pulling
a
at
push
the.
or a pull acting on an object is called force. A man pushing a cart, a child pulling a toy wagon, and a girl opening a door are other examples in which a force is being applied on an object.
Okay.
Effects of force. We cannot see force, but we can see its effect. Let us examine
Examine.
the effects that force and have on objects. Force can make a stationary object move or make a moving object move faster. If the force is applied in the same direction in which the object
Okay, Abhinaya.
is moving,
Okay, Abhinaya.
force can be
Abhinaya. Okay, let him continue. Anurag.
yes, ma'am.
Good, Abhinaya.
Yes,
Anurag,
ma'am.
continue from here. Anurag. Force can make.
Okay, ma'am.
After Anurag, Ashit, get ready. Yes, ma'am.
Force can make a moving object
Slow down.
down or stop. If the force is
Applied in the direction.
applied in the direction opposite to that in which the object is
Object
moving.
is moving.
Force can change the direction. Ma'am, I told you. Force can change the
Direction of a moving object.
direction of a
Anurag,
No, no. You are in mute, Anurag. Read, ma.
object when it is applied at an angle to the direction of the moving
Of the
object.
moving object.
Force can of an object.
Force can change.
Types of forces.
Okay.
Force can change the shape of it. Types
Okay.
of forces. There are different types of force.
Forces.
Some
Some of them are.
forces types of forces. Some of them are gravitational force or gravity.
Hmm.
Gravitational force that attracts objects to the center of the earth.
Hmm.
If you throw a ball
Up.
up, it comes after some time because of gravity.
Hmm.
It, it is the Earth's gravity that keeps us and all
Other objects.
the objects,
On the
other
ground.
objects on
Okay, Anurag. Okay, Anurag. Good. But your voice is breaking because you may have some internet problems. Ashit. Continue from magnetic force, Ashit. After Ashit, Bhagavat.
magnetic force or magnetism. Magnetic force or magnetism is the force with which a magnet attracts metals such as iron and
Nickel. Iron and nickel.
nickel and other magnets. Magnetic force.
Magnets may also.
Electrostatic.
This point, have you read? Magnets may also repel each other. After camera
Magnets may
student, are you
also
all visible to me?
with the help of a magnetic force.
Read about
Ma'am?
electrostatic force.
Electrostatic
Electrostatic force.
force. Ma'am?
Hmm. Continue.
Known
Since ancient
that
times,
materials such
since
as
ancient times,
amber get charged
hmm.
attract lighter objects.
Similarly, if you run a comb,
If you run attract tiny bits of paper when brought near it, the force that a charged body exerts on other charged or uncharged body is called electrostatic force.
okay, be in mute. Bhagavat,
Mechanical force. Ma'am, can I read, ma'am?
yeah, Bhagavat will read. Bhagavat, read from mechanical force.
Ma'am,
After
where?
Bhagavat, Chaitra will read. Abhavasya. Bhagavat, read mechanical force and beyond force. Everybody will get chance, children. Don't worry. We have time. Bhagavat.
Mechanical force pull
Bhagavat. On your
when
cameras, all of you.
you
Yes, ma.
force. Mover and push the door open mechanical when it or compress
With an object.
and force. When dropped in water, either skin
Or float on it.
instead
Hmm. When an object is
on
dropped
it
in
when
water.
an object water
Hmm.
the water exerts
A net upward force
net force
that pushes the object up.
pushes the upward force is called buoyant force. The buoyant force is equally to the weight of the water
Displaced by
displaced
the object.
by the object. Statement is called
Archimedes principle. Archimedes.
Archimedes principle.
Okay, next Chaitra.
Archimedes.
Archimedes principle.
Yes,
Chaitra.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Chaitra, read this frictional force or friction. You have to on your camera, children. Sorry. Bhuvasya.
Frictional force of friction.
Chaitra is reading now.
Frictional force of friction is the force that tries.
Stop reading. Not you, Bhuvasya.
Okay, Bhuvasya. Chaitra is not in the class. Is it, children? She is also there. Okay. Chaitra, let
Ma'am,
Bhuvasya read.
I'm here, ma'am.
After Bhuvasya, Chaitra will read. Who started now? Who started reading now?
Okay, ma'am.
First.
Ma'am, Chaitra only started reading,
Okay, then
ma'am.
Chaitra will continue. After Chaitra, Bhuvasya will read. Okay. Chaitra, continue, Chaitra. Frictional force.
Frictional force or friction is force that tries to stop the movement of the object across the surface. Friction may act in the direction of the opposite to the direction of movement of an object. It can also allow the movement of an object or stop it it from moving it, it together
Slow.
in regular in, reg,
Chaitra's
in
background is
regular
disturbing.
movements across the field.
Read, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Read. Your background is disturbing. I think your sister is with you. Her class is going on. It is disturbing
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
You both
Yes,
have to use
ma'am.
earphones. Earphones you both have to use. Then you will
Better.
not disturb each other. Okay, continue
Ma'am, I'm
reading.
using, ma'am. Ma'am,
She
I'm
is not
using
using, I think. She is not using.
in regular movements across
Hmm.
movements from smooth surfaces such as and gas provides less friction. It it uses dis, discom advantages and
Disadvantages of friction.
disadvantages of friction.
Hmm. Next.
Advantages of friction begin the ground makes the pro, provide provides for us to walk
We find it hard to walk on ice and earth on the smoothie surfaces slow fall.
Hmm. Next.
Fall, fall across the surface provides less friction. It that that is why
Often
we
sleep
often
on an icy ground or a wet floor. Bhuvasya? Okay, Chaitra, be in mute.
icy
Bhuvasya?
wet floor.
Bhuvasya? Chaitra, be in mute. Chaitra, let her continue. Bhuvasya?
Yes,
Bhuvasya?
ma'am.
Yeah, continue from page
Yes,
number
ma'am.
112. The friction between first line of page number 112.
The
Continue from
fiction.
there till disadvantages of friction. After Bhuvasya, next Charvit. Be ready. Make it fast, Bhuvasya.
Friction between the tires of vehicles and the road
Road
makes
makes
them
them.
makes movement of vehicles possible.
Hmm.
Friction between the chalk and the blackboard makes it possible for the teacher to write on the blackboard. It also helps us to write on paper and erase pencil marks on paper using an eraser. Disadvantages of friction. Friction makes it hard to slide heavy objects, such as a heavy piece of furniture or a heavy box, across the floor. Friction generates heat. You can feel it by rubbing your palms together for some time. Heat produced due to friction causes damage to machine parts such as car brakes. Friction causes damage to tires of vehicles, the soles of the shoes, and machine parts, making these objects wear away with time. This is the reason why machine parts need to be oiled regularly. Oil is slippery and
And
reduces
reduces.
the friction between different parts of a machine.
Read, get it right. Get it right in the
Get
box.
it right. Get it right. Friction produces heat. This is not always a disadvantage. We use the heat produced by friction to light a matchstick.
Okay, good. Charvit?
Yes, ma'am.
Charvit, read this activity, Charvit.
Ma'am, when is my chance, Karthik, ma'am?
After Charvit, Dheeraj, Jessica, Joel, and Katvik. Charvit, make it fast.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
On your camera. Please make it fast. Others are waiting, right?
Yes, ma'am.
After Charvit,
Solar
Dheeraj. Read, ma.
energy and do not
Aim. Read this activity, page number 112.
solar energy is the renewable energy and does not cause pollution. Thermal energy.
Increase your volume, Charvit. You are not audible. Read now. Read, Charvit. Charvit.
Ma'am, he's not reading, ma'am.
I don't know what he is watching. Charvit, continue. He started first, but maybe checking his volume. Continue.
Ma'am, I think he forgotten, ma'am, his page, that's why.
Okay, then Dheeraj, continue Dheeraj. Let him search. Dheeraj, read this activity, ma.
Yes, ma'am. Aim to observe how the roughness of a surface affects movement. Things needed: a toy car, several books, and a small towel. Method: arrange the books and as shown in figure. J. Push the toy car down the slope. Gently push the car down the towel covered the
Slope.
slope and observe what happened.
Observation.
Observation on the surface. Observation runs down the surface of the book but barely moves over the towel.
Conclusion. Conclusion.
Conclusion: movement across a
Smooth surface.
smooth surface. This produces.
Okay, then.
Ma'am,
Next. Jessica. Jessica, are you
movement
there in the
across.
class? Dheeraj. Jessica. She's not there in the class, right, children? Sohan, on your camera, Sohan, you must be visible to me. Okay,
Ma'am,
Jessica is
I'm
not there.
Gagan, you did not ask me, ma'am. Before Jessica, I am Gagan, ma'am.
Gagan, day before yesterday, last I think Tuesday, you have read already, yeah, Thursday. You have read already. I'm continuing the same reading test. Gagan.
Ma'am, that day I don't have books, no, ma'am, actually.
Okay, that day you do not have book, right? Okay, Jessica and Joel both are not there. You continue, Gagan. Read
Yes.
this energy. Read first 3 types of energies. Then others will continue. After you, Karthik will continue. Read, Gagan.
Energy. Okay, ma'am. Energy. The ability to do work is called energy. There are many forms of energy. We will discuss a few here. Heat energy. Burning fuel such as releases high heat energy. It
In
in
our
our
homes.
home we use heat energy to cook food.
Next one.
Light energy. Light energy helps us to see things around us.
Around us.
Electric bulb,
Electric bulb.
lamp, torchlight,
Tube light.
and tube light and
Candle.
candle are some sources of light energy. The sun is also a source of light energy.
Mechanical energy.
Mechanical energy. Energy, yes, ma'am. Energy that an object has because of its position, potential energy, or the
or its movement?
Position or potential energy or
Its movement?
the, its movements. Movement.
Kinetic energy?
Kinetical energy is called
Mm. Mechanical energy.
mechanical
Please make it fast, children.
energy.
The water stored behind.
The water which gets
The water stored behind a dam has potential energy which gets converted.
converting
uh, Kinetic energy
to energy as the water falls.
falls from a.
As the water falls from a height.
Okay, then Katvik. Okay, Gagan, be in mute. Katvik, continue from electrical energy. Next to Kathy. Yes, ma. Continue from electrical energy.
The appliance. Okay, ma'am. Electrical energy such as electric bulb, tube light, radio, television, computer, and washing machine use electrical energy. Electrical energy is generated at power stations and supplied to our homes. Wind energy, power of the moving air. Wind is utilized with the help of windmills to generate electrical energy. Sound energy, portable audio players, television, radio, and
Loudspeakers
loudspeakers are sources of energy such as guitar and tabla also produce sound energy.
Okay, then continue with remaining two also.
Solar energy, the energy it is used to provide heat, light, hot water, and electricity. Geothermal energy, the energy that we get from the heat of the earth is called geothermal energy.
Okay, then be in mute. Manas?
Geothermal energy is used to generate electricity.
Okay, good, Katvik. Manas?
Yes, ma'am.
Read renewable and non-renewable energy.
Yes, ma'am.
After Manas, next one is Aryan. Be ready, Aryan. Aryan and Chavi.
Energy that can
Read, ma.
energy that can be renewed or replenished over a period of time is called renewable energy.
Solar energy.
Solar energy, wind energy, energy that cannot be renewed over a period of time is called non-renewable energy. Energy is obtained from fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum. Renewable energy. Simple machines.
Okay. Manas. Next.
They use
Manas, be mute. Next, Aryan.
Ma'am?
Aryan, read about simple machines.
Machines, etc. to make our work easier in our everyday life. These tools are called machines. A machine can be defined as a tool that makes our work helping us overcome force and applying force, effort called effort. Machines may be simple or complex.
A simple machine.
A simple applied force, single force load. A complex machine consists of two or more simple machines working together. There are 6 types of simple machines.
Simple machines.
Simple machines, lever, wheel, screw.
Wheel and axle.
Wheel and
Pulley
axle, pulley, inclined plane, screw,
and
inclined plane, screw and wedge.
very good, very good. Be in mute, Aryan. Next, Pragnesh. Pragnesh, read about lever. Lever.
Yes, ma'am. Lever is a rigid rod arranged in such a manner that it can move freely around a fixed point. It consists of the following three parts. Confirm. This is the fixed point around which the rod moves. Note. It is the object on which work is to be performed. Effort. It is the force that need to be applied on the rod in order to perform a task based on the position of three of these three parts. Levers can be classified into three types. First class lever. Lever in which the fulcrum is located between the load and the effort are called first class or class one lever. Example: a pair of scissors, a seesaw, and a crowbar. Second class lever. Lever in which the load is located between the fulcrum and the effort are called second class lever.
Ma'am,
Yes, let him read. Only till second class lever. Read, Pragnesh. Time is running out.
his voice is breaking, ma'am.
Yeah, but I am able to understand.
Ma'am, this is Vaishnavi, ma'am.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Vaishnavi. Let him
Ma'am,
read.
when I joined, ma'am, I was unable to unmute, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Vaishnavi, how can you talk when he is reading? Be in mute. Let him finish.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I can't hear
Pragnesh'
your voice,
voice is
ma'am. That's why.
breaking a lot, ma'am.
Be in mute, all of you. Pragnesh. Pragnesh, stop reading. Okay, then Pragnesh, when he was reading second class lever, I understood. Till second class lever, it is enough. Only few of you there to continue this reading test. Like Lasya Priya, Rebecca, next Varshit. Varshit's microphone is not connecting. After that, Varshit, then Nayana. Nayana is absent, I think. Nayana. Navatej also, he has read the day. Joel, Jessica, and Charvit. Charvit, I don't know what is the problem with you. You did not read today. In the next class, I will ask. Children, pictures of lesson number 8 and 9, you need to collect and be ready. Pictures of simple machines at the same time. Pictures of the instruments we are using for the measurement, like tape, thermometer, weighing balance, measuring cylinder. All the pictures you collect. Whatever the pictures you collect, which you cannot collect, you can draw there. So afternoon, Monday afternoon, we have class. Study us that day we will do. Okay, children. So what is your task? You have to learn textbook exercises of lesson number 9 for oral test on Tuesday.